guys, Miss Charlie here. Today I'm doing a video on a giveaway that I'm going to be doing. There's going to be two. There's going to be one for YouTube and one for Instagram. I will leave all the details below as to how to enter. I'll also put it here on the screen, what you need to do to enter. And as long as you follow those things, then your name will go into the hat to receive these products. And again, there will be two giveaways. So I'm going to show you the products that you could win in these giveaways. The first one I'm going to show is for Instagram. So these are the products that you could win for Instagram, and a lot of these products are items that I've gotten in a BoxyCharm, but they don't work for me, or it's something I don't use, or it's not my color or something like that, and I'd rather pass on than throw away or try to use it and knowing that it's something I don't use or it wouldn't work for me. So these here are the items that you could win for the Instagram giveaway. We have the Pure Festival 2.0 palette. I have the Pure Festival, the first one. Basically, it's the same concept. They're neutral colors. The Laura Geller Multitasking Eye, Lip, and Cheek palette. These are all creams. The Car Lip Liner and Lip Gloss. The Trestique Contour, Conceal and Correct Crayon. And then the Quick Color Switch by Lavish. So we're going to go through each one so you can see them a little closer. Okay, so the first thing is this color switch. I've seen people use these to clean their brushes, but I just use a towel. I don't really need a color switch, but it's a tin. And inside there is a sponge. It's a little hard to open. There's a rough sponge in there for you to wipe your brush over. So if you're using like bright colors, or you're using the same brush but you want to use it for a different color, you can just wipe it over this and that'll help take the color off so that you can use a different color. But I just wipe mine off on a towel. I have old towels that I use. I keep one in my lap. I also have them on my desk. I get them at the dollar store. Get the little hand towels. Sometimes you get two of them for $1 at the Dollar Tree, and the washcloths as well. And I just use those, and those are just the towels that I use just for my makeup purposes. So when I want to clean my brushes or anything like that, I just use that. But I don't use one of these. I think Vera Mona is the one that has the original one. But basically, it's just a rough sponge in a tin for you to clean your brushes on. I mean, you could use this for something else. You can take the sponge out and use it for storage if you wanted to. But you could win this color switch by Lavish. Next thing is this Laura Geller Multitasking Eye, Lip, and Cheek palette. These are the colors on the back here. And this says this is the shades of nude. So I'm assuming it comes in different colors. Has a little plastic in it. And these are all creams. So you have like a blush, a contour, and a highlight. Of course, they're not swatched. I'm not going to swatch them because, of course, I'm giving them away. But if you like cream products, this will be a nice little travel thing for you. And the colors are, I mean, this might work for me. I don't use cream contour, and the highlight might work for me, but I don't use cream products. So this will be good for someone who uses cream or might want to play with some cream. And Laura Geller is good. I use her Baked and Brighten blush and her powder foundation, and also I use the her gelato highlighters. So Laura Geller is a good brand, so you will win this. Next, you will get this Trestique Face pen crayon. This is the Conceal, Cover, and Correct crayon, and this is in the shade Toffee. And it shows you on the side what it comes with here. You have a magnetic cap, you have your concealer, and then on the end you have a little sponge applicator. And this is what it looks like. I have a few Trestique things. I love the magnetic closures on their products. It's satisfying. And it's a heavy, you see it's hard for me to pull it off. It's a heavy magnet. And there's the concealer. And I like that, it looks like a little pencil. And then on this end, you have your little sponge applicator. If you want to go under your eye or spot conceal, then you have your little sponge applicator. Again, something nice for on the go or traveling or whatnot, so this will be nice. And again, this is in the color Toffee, so you will win the Trestique Conceal and Perfect Correcting Crayon. Next we have the KAB, which is supposed to be the names for Kim, Ariana, and Brielle. I'm not sure if they are the founders of this. I'm going to assume so. But this is a lip liner and lip gloss, and I like the little holographic packaging. It's very simple. It is cruelty-free. And this is in the color Charming. You get this beautiful bottle. It's a nice big bottle. Nice big bottle. And it's like a pinky nude. Got a nice doe foot. Looks very creamy. I have not swatched it because this would not suit my skin tone. I don't like colors like this. It's a little too light. Let me see if it smells like anything. It has a slight chocolatey scent. It smells a little like chocolate. And then the lip liner that goes with it in Charming. And it's just it's a twist up. No, I think it's a sharpen. Yeah, it's a sharpen. It looks like it's twist up, but it's not. It's a sharpening pencil. And that is the lip liner that goes with it. It's a little darker than the lip gloss, but that's fine. But you will win these two items. Okay. And then we have the Pure 2.0 eyeshadow palette. I have the regular festival one. Let me pull it out here. I believe this was from last year. This is the regular festival one. And this is what it looks like. It has some really pretty pressed glitters in there. I've used them a lot, but it's mostly a neutral palette with a pop of pink and purple, and then the glitters. And again, the glitters are beautiful. The shimmers are beautiful too, but I have enough neutral palette, so the 2.0, that's why I'm giving it away. But that's the one that was from last year or the year before, something like that. But then the 2.0, beautiful holographic packaging, very pretty. And this is how she looks on the inside. Still neutral with the pop of, this is like a red, it's coming off orange. It's like a red, and you have a pop of purple and a pop of blue. And then you have these beautiful shimmers. This one looks like a duochrome. Can't really tell. It looks like a duochrome, like a green with a gold. This VIP Pass is pretty. It's like a black with gold and a little silver in there. Those would be beautiful. But yeah, this is going to be given away, so you could win this palette from Pure. Okay, so those are the items that you could win in the Instagram giveaway. Now we're going to go to the items that you can win in the YouTube giveaway. Okay, so these are the items that you can win in the YouTube giveaway. There's 4 products, technically 5 because you have 2 sponges, but we're gonna go over these in more detail. I have this First Aid Beauty Bump Eraser Body Scrub. I don't really use body scrubs, so this, I wouldn't be using this, but I do like First Aid Beauty. I like their cleansers and I love their coconut primer. So I do like their products, but scrubs are not something that I use. But if you want to try a scrub, or this is for a safer sensitive skin, if you want to try a body scrub, here's your chance, and it is a full size to try from First Aid Beauty. A lip liner from Gerard Cosmetics. I love their setting spray. I use it all the time. Have it right here, the Slay All Day. It is awesome, but this lip liner is too light for me. See that? It's really light, like a mauve, and this color is in the color Ecstasy. But yeah, it is a little too light for me, and it is a sharpenable pencil. So if you like mauve, lip colors, and you need a nice liner to match with the gloss or whatnot, you could win this liner from Gerard Cosmetics. Refreshing Cleansing Hep Wipes from EvoSkin Aurora, X Aurora. Not sure what that is, but this was in a BoxyCharm. I think it was last month or the month before. I have my favorite wipes that I use. So these would just go to waste. Yeah, I could try them, but I have plenty of ones that I am trying to go through because I have a nice stash of wipes. So I don't need any more right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and give these away. These would be nice for travel. It says that they are, let's see what it says. Multifunctional, balancing, anti-fatigue, multifunction wipes. So yes, it says Aurora Cannabis is one of the world's largest cannabis companies and is defining the future of cannabis worldwide. The Aurora certified label ensures quality, thoughtfully curated with EVO to provide a unique hemp-based product. So if you like to use cannabis products or hemp-based products, here's some wipes for you to try. I have these Hank and Henry sponges. I like Hank and Henry. I have their mascara, and I also have their liner. Their liner is really good. It's called Blinkety Black. I really like that. And you see, this is a BoxyCharm exclusive with Hank and Henry, and it's a twin pack of sponges. I'm not going to take them out, but they look interesting. Interesting shape. It says it's a foundation sponge and in a mini, and it has the little, I'm gonna go ahead and open them so you can see them better, because this has the little owl on it. You see the little Hank and Henry owl right there. That's really cute. But they're kind of stiff. But you can have, one for foundation and one for your concealer, and they, set up. You can set them up. They're not going to fall over. Great, space here for all over. GB, sorry. She wants to play, and that's what she does when she wants to play. She starts to whine. But you have this flat portion that can cover, good surface area, and then you have the sides, and then you have the points that are going to be good in, certain areas around the eyes and nose and whatnot. But you will win these 2 sponges, BoxyCharm exclusive, with Hank and Henry. Okay, so those are the things that you will win in the YouTube giveaway. So again, make sure to follow the instructions. It will go on for a week. I will post the winners on Instagram, so make sure you are following on that platform, and also YouTube, so you see if you win. And it is US based only, so I do apologize for that. It is US only for winners, so just make sure that you follow the simple rules and to be entered and to win these products. So I thank you all for watching. Thanks for those who already subscribed. I appreciate your support. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe and take care.